Everyone warned us that home renovation are a nightmare. Then they told us to prepare endless delay, hidden costs, and constant stress. Then we meet Quinee from Design for Space. While other designers only give us a basic mood board, Quinee come with a complete and fully detailed design. She truly listened to how we live, capturing our daily routine and elevating our messy idea with her absolute impeccable taste. But what we loved most was her total transparency. Her entire design was completely true to the actual cost with zero guesswork. Once construction began, her communication was flawless. Daily update keep us completely at ease without a single budget surprises. I'm truly grateful that our idea turned a stressful process into a beautiful and deeply satisfying journey.